Gone are the days when users would have to manually adjust their Excel files for use in Domo. Now it's easier than ever to upload even the most complex Excel files with the File Upload connector. You can find the File Upload connector by using the global search. Here it is right here. Or you can go to the App Store and search for File Upload. I'll select an Excel file I have on my desktop and drag it in. The highlighted area will be included in the dataset, and the column headers are selected by default. That's what I want, so I'll click Next. The preview of my dataset looks correct, so I'll click Next again. I'll name my dataset and give it a description and click Save. Once the data is imported and the dataset runs, I'll see my data. And that's how easy it is to use the File Upload connector.